Hey guys, welcome to this video. So in this project, the customer called us and requested a concrete driveway. As you can see, they currently have asphalt, which looked pretty bad. It was all messed up and broken. We'll take you along for the ride so you can check out the progress. And here it is. Check it out. So one thing to note here is that Manny is using an MT100 Bobcat, which is an absolute game changer because it makes everything that much easier to do demo, removal of material, bringing in material. For example, right here, he's removing about 8 inches of dirt, and we're going to do 4 inches of base and 4 inches of concrete. And just having this thing is just a lifesaver because it'll just make everything that much faster and quicker. So right here, he's removing a little bit of base because we added too much. But yeah, check it out. So funny story about this plate compactor. It actually caught on fire while we were doing this job, and I actually posted it to a separate short. So if you want to check it out, check it out. But you can see the flames coming out. It's pretty funny. So the customer did have one request. They wanted the concrete slab to look a little nicer than the neighbors in regards to appearance. So they just wanted to make sure that it stood out, that it wasn't just a flat piece of concrete with no distinction. So we suggested, how about we do a small border at no additional charge, just to make it pop a little bit, make it look a little nicer. And she agreed. She was super happy with the result, and I think it stands out quite nicely too. So you can see the guys in the background standing on the old slab that somebody else poured versus our slab. It definitely stands out a little bit more, and she was happy, which was what matters the most. So here we are towards the end of the video. The customer was extremely happy with the final result. We were really happy with the final result. It was a good day. Everything was good. It took us about 2 days to do the project, and everything came out great. Again, thanks for watching, and if you can, please subscribe. We'd appreciate it. And see you on the next one. Take care. Well, that's pretty much the video. You can see the guys finishing up here, making all the minor adjustments and details. You can see the border and the guys finishing up. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you can, it'd be great if you could subscribe to my channel. Really appreciate it. Thank you guys. See you next time.